साथियों, हम थिंकिंग स्किल पर सोच विचार कर रहे हैं कि भारत में केवल सोच विचार करने वाले लोग ही
आवाज कम है, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम
लेते
बढ़ाइए।
हैं।
जी
जन्म से कोई थिंकर नहीं होता है।
जी
हमारी थिंकिंग अच्छी है लेकिन वह पूर्ण नहीं है। ऐसा हमारे पुरखे डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर ने कहा है। और हमें इस ट्रेनिंग के दौरान 7 जो इम्पोर्टेंट और इसेंशियल टूल्स है वो हमें पढ़ाए गए हैं। तो we can analyze the past, but we have to design the future. If you don't design your future, somebody else or something will design your future. एडवर्ड डी बोनो जो महान थिंकर है, वह कहते हैं कि थिंकिंग इज एन ऑपरेसिव स्किल थ्रू विच इंटेलिजेंस एक्ट्स अपॉन एक्सपीरियंस फॉर ए पर्पज। थिंकिंग स्किल, ऑपरेसिव स्किल, इंटेलिजेंस, एक्सपीरियंस, पर्पज। हमें जो 7 टूल्स है उसमें से जो है पीएमआई यानी प्लस, माइनस एंड इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स। दूसरा है CAF, कंसीडरिंग ऑल फैक्टर्स। थर्ड C&S, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस एंड सीक्वेंस। फोर्थ ASIO, एम्स, गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव। फिफ्थ FIP, फर्स्ट important priorities. APC, alternative possibilities and choices. Seventh OPV, taking others views into account. EMI माने तुरंत कोई भी फैसला नहीं लेना चाहिए, अच्छे बुरे का सोचना चाहिए। कोई भी काम करने से पहले हमें उसे सोचना चाहिए और ओपन माइंडेडली रहना चाहिए।
जी सर।
Learning and practicing soft skills and tools. By making the deliberate effort during the lessons to direct their thinking towards these areas, participants, students can develop the habit of broadening their thinking. Research has shown that the use of these lessons can have a considerable effect in increasing the number of aspects of a situation that are considered. You have to do things to enlarge your minds, to enlarge your vision, to enlarge your capacity, to enlarge your think, to ability to solve problems, and to bring that capacity, that vision, that ability to form judgment to bear upon the actual problems which the vast mass of the people of this country are facing today. The PMI is a crystallization of the open-minded attitude into tools that can be used deliberately. This is a very basic lesson which is introduced right at the beginning so that the PMI process itself can be used as a tool in the course of subsequent lessons. Therefore, instead of just deciding whether or not you like an idea, this thinking operation has made an effort to find the good points plus the bad points minus and the interesting points about an idea. The interesting points are those which are neither good nor bad but are worth noticing. The PMI is a way of treating ideas, suggestions and proposals. The natural reaction to an idea is to like or dislike it. to approve or disapprove. If you like an idea, it is very unnatural to look for the negative or minus aspects. If you dislike an idea, it is very unnatural to look for the positive or plus aspect. It is equally unnatural to pick out the merely interesting aspects of an idea. Initially, you must suspend your judgment before entering into PMI. Using the PMI as a deliberate operation gives participants, students, a means of bypassing the natural emotional reaction to an idea. Their objective change from emotional reaction to carrying out with skill a formal operation. Once the PMI has been practiced as a tool, it can be asked for in subsequent lessons. Do a PMI on that idea. The PMI is never intended to prevent decision or commitment, but to ensure that this happens after both sides of matter have been considered and not before. Its simple items, the PMI operation enlarges the view of a situation. Without it, emotional reaction to an idea narrows the way we look at it. Do a PMI on the idea. The PMI is important because without it you may reject a valuable idea that seems bad at first sight. Without a PMI, you are very unlikely to see the disadvantages of an idea that you like very much. The PMI can show that ideas are not just good or bad, but can also be interesting if they lead to their ideas. Without a PMI, most judgments are based on not on the value of the idea itself, but on your emotion at the time. With a PMI, you decide whether or not you like the idea after you have explored it instead of before.
Sir.
Second is consider all factors, CAF. Looking as widely as possible at all the factors involved in a situation instead of only the immediate one. CAF is a crystallization of the process of trying to consider all factors in a situation. This thinking is essentially related to action, decision, judgment, and coming to a conclusion. The factor affecting oneself, the factors affecting other people, the factors affecting society in general. फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट प्रायोरिटी, हमें इसको प्रायोरिटी देना चाहिए. हमें अगर बस से जाना है या ट्रेन से जाना है या प्राइवेट कार या विमान से जाना है, इसमें हमारा बेनिफिट है, इकोनॉमी है, तो सोचकर हमने उसको फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट प्रायोरिटी देना चाहिए. एपीसी अल्टरनेटिव पॉसिबिलिटी चॉइसेस, हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा अल्टरनेटिव पॉसिबिलिटी चुनना चाहिए. मिनिमम सोशल मूवमेंट के लिए हमें कम से कम 10 प्रायोरिटीज, अल्टरनेटिव प्रायोरिटीज को चुनना चाहिए. और ओपीवी, अदर पीपल्स व्यू, हम जब कोई सोशल मूवमेंट चलाते हैं तो उसमें जो हमारे सहकारी रहते हैं उनके मतों का भी हमें सम्मान करना चाहिए. हमें दूसरों के व्यूज जान लेना चाहिए, उससे निग्लेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. यह इसमें है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. आपने तैयारी की है आज पूरे दिन, बढ़िया.